Sekarang kita ada di Taman Burung Kuala Lumpur. Kissing. Look. This canary, I think.
The thing is, it must be used to people, right?
Yeah. Let's stop.
Maybe
They and sell it.
well, yeah, or maybe they like, you know, snake sheds its skin.
Yeah.
Maybe they get new.
Look, there.
Whoa. Haircut.
Mohawk.
There's a Hornbill restaurant and cafe down there. If you want a drink or anything
Yeah,
to
I
eat.
think yes.
Should he be inside? Funny looking things, aren't they?
Yeah.
Has he gone back inside? No. There's two inside and one outside.
Escape.
Maybe they have to keep them separate. You want up?
Yeah. Wanna go a little far.
Along there first. More birds. Got good green here, haven't they? They've got really good green. Oh, what's that?
That's the same
Oh,
bird,
yeah.
but with this one white.
They look like teddy bear or plastic.
That's different. That's the black one there.
Looks like this is where they get fed.
Yeah. I like this color, the gray and the pink one. That's pretty color. Look at that, the brick, that black. There.
At the top. Yeah. Just still.
Cool, man. Oh, look, pretty.
They've just got ring on the top.
Yeah. Cheeky monkey. Cheeky parrot. Look. Oh, look. Aww, cute. You're playing so. Oh! That's clown. Oh! You have to try this today. We need a big ball. Not this small.
Really small. Really big. They want the light that we
Oh, okay. Oh, look. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, they're fighting. Ah. Oh, ooh. I'm shouting. Ow, 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 ow. They got me, got me. Ow. Oh, let's try really. Okay, habis, finish, please. Oh, look.
You take them with you now.
Look. They bite me. Look. Finish.
I put the meat and honey. They were. They're very
okay.
sweet.
Yeah.
They like the sweet.
You're not very popular for this. It's only 3. Joke.
Okay, finish. Thank you. You can wash your hands.
Yeah, that's the Bob and Jack. Remember?
Yeah, same, isn't it?
Yeah. Indonesia, look. I like this parrot. It's native to Australia, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Solomon Island, Maluku. Yeah, this one pink. Oh. The color is creamy.
Peach.
Yeah. From Maluku. That's pretty. Pulau Seram dan pulau-pulau sekeliling Maluku Selatan. Oke. Oh. Bye bye. Bye bye bird.